Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my two-wheel drive Traxxas Slash out. This is the RC that I have dubbed the cheapest Traxxas Slash project, and it's been a while since I've had it out. I had it in the snow a few weeks ago, but I didn't really get a good thorough test on it, I don't feel like, because we haven't really tested these shocks. So I put these shocks on in the last upgrade video. There's some knockoff ones. They're big bore aluminum shocks that I got on Amazon, I believe. And they feel kind of springy, but we're gonna test them out today. There's still some snow out, but I'm hoping we can rip it around and get through some of the stuff regardless, despite being only two-wheel drive. So I got 4,000 milliamp 3-cell hooked up. I'm gonna get the body on, get this thing turned on, and we're gonna rip. All right, guys, let's rip the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. Look at that, guys. Two-wheel drive Slash with the 3S system, with the VXL 3S and 3500 kV motor. It just does wheelies on command, really. We almost need a wheelie bar. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get through the snow. We can try it. I mean, kind of. We can kind of get through the snow, but it's going to be a mess. I think we're going to go ahead and hit this thing, kind of hit it like a jump. Here we go, guys. Easy on the throttle. Oh! And the battery, I think, got disconnected or something happened. Let's get down to it. Let's see what happened. Ooh, I don't know if the battery came undone or not. Maybe it just turned off. Yeah, guys, it looks like it just turned off. This thing is just, this is a lot of fun, this RC. It's hard to tell how those shocks are how they're performing. I do know it brought the front end up a little bit more than I would have liked. How about launch from back there, a flyby? Ready? Here we go, guys. Whoa! Yikes! That was not good for the body. Let's get it. Bearings are still good. Wheels still spinning. I think I'm gonna hit this again. Bring it back. It's just where it's getting super thick, like along there, right there. Kind of difficult to make it through. These Badlands are doing their best to hook up, but difficult. Oh my gosh, the Badlands are getting no traction. I just fell into water. Crap, my shoe's all wet. I don't think we're gonna get out. What do you guys think? I'm gonna have to reach for it. I'm probably gonna get my foot all wet again. Got it. Keep the momentum going. We might not get stuck. Badlands, keep it moving. As long as you keep it moving, it's doing all right. Bringing it back. Easing on the throttle. On the icy part. Bring it back down. It's almost getting stuck. Can't make it all the way up the hill. Can I make it? No. Come on. Let's go over here. Set up some ramps over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the ramp. There, not bad. Come on, rip it. Two-wheel drive life for you. There we go. Can I make it up? Go! Ooh. Hit my Jeep with that. There's somebody coming with a dog, so I better just get off the road for a little bit. We'll go down here for a little bit of time. As long as I keep the momentum on, I might be able to get through this fairly well. Until I get stuck down there. Come on. Oh, it's getting slowed down. No. Crap. I gotta go get it, guys. I'm stuck again. I could be wrong, guys, but I think our pinion came undone. I might have the right stuff to fix it. We will see. I'll have to go back up to the Jeep. But yeah, the pinion came off, it sounds like. So yeah, unfortunately, stripped the spur gear pretty good. Missing a lot of the teeth now. Looks like the motor might have slid a little bit. Also looks like the pinion slid a little bit, and I think it actually might have been the grub screw of the pinion that was coming in contact with the spur gear, maybe. That might have been what sheared the teeth off. Anyway, guys, if you did like this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up button for me. Really helps out this video as well as my channel. Helps the algorithms much more likely to pick it up and show it to more people. So I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button. And I'll get this thing fixed up, and I will see you guys in another video. Later.